Hi guys, welcome to the latest episode of Extinct Legends. Today we're doing another one-off. We're going to talk to John, who has an amazing 1961 BubbleTop Bonneville with an LS swap. Just an amazing piece of work. I won't even get into the details, but it's amazing. So here we go. John with the 61 BubbleTop. All right, I'm out here with John, and John has this beautiful Bonneville out here. It's like a bubble top. I have not seen one of these in many, many years. So, John, can you tell us a little something about this car, how long you've had it, and what you've done to it, anything like that?
I bought it 4 years ago. Came out of New York. I had it shipped down here to Florida.
Wow.
And since I have it, I got it out of a museum.
Wow.
And nothing worked on it. The engine was shot, leaked, transmission leaked. So
wow.
I've got an LS6 in it now.
Ooh, okay.
With a 4L60E transmission,
okay.
drive, and a 306 rear end, power traction.
Nice.
I put disc brakes on it, four-wheel disc brakes.
Okay.
It's air conditioned, cruise control.
Oh man.
Got cutouts on it. Got a Hurst floor shift in it.
I see. This is
That's
beautiful.
about it. Put a new interior in it.
Wow. This is great work, man. And is that the original color?
Yes, it is. It is the original color. This is the original paint on the car.
Oh, wow. This is definitely from a museum, because coming from New York, you know, you would swear it'd be rusty or anything, but this thing is beautiful.
Rubbed through in a couple of areas, but, you know, I'm going to keep it as it is.
Okay.
Original.
It's beautiful. Glass is nice, everything. And how long was that, like, the restoration? How long was the process?
Still working on it.
Okay.
Still working on it.
Okay. So, how often do you drive it?
Not too often. I've put 1,400 miles on it so far.
Okay. Man, you know, I see the modern stuff on the inside. I see a flat screen in there. And
well, it's GPS.
Okay.
I got all digital gauges.
Okay.
Dakota digital.
Nice. This is beautiful.
It's a work in progress.
Well, I tell you what, you found a cherry. You found something definitely unique. You know, we're called Extinct Legends. This is definitely an Extinct Legend. And, you know, every car has a story, so I appreciate you giving us a story about this car today. So enjoy it, man. You did a great job, and to me, this is the best of the show.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, for real, man. This is real nice. You know, the 9 lug wheels, I guess.
8 lug.
Eight.
Okay.
Got you, man. This thing is cherry. And what year is it actually?
1961.
61. So this is the wide track Pontiac.
Yes,
in that period of time, right?
Yes.
Oh man, this
bubble
is amazing.
top.
Yes, bubble top. Yeah,
Two-door hard top.
Man, so I know this thing can run with that LS in there, boy.
Well, I can drive it now.
Definitely. Well, John, I appreciate you talking to us tonight, and enjoy it. Have a good time, and we'll see you again.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Yes, sir. You should see it during the daytime.
Oh, I can imagine. I got out here too late. A couple weeks after we shot this episode with John, we ran into him again at the American Legion car show. So we reshot the walk around in the daytime so you could really get a good look at that paint. So here it goes.
When they killed Pontiac, they could have probably kept it as a boutique type of says the Oakland and the Pontiac. It started with the